last time. Okay, for example, we have, everybody read, which film
Which film
did you
did you
see?
see?
Is the word see is correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? What is in the form of subject? Is it past, simple past, future, or past participle? Or in present form? June? Louder please. See is in the present form. Papai Noy, everybody start. Okay, very good. Next, Papai. Okay. So we will find another one. Okay, this one. The next one is, everybody read, Jean-Claude
Jean-Claude
was very late
was very late
for the interview.
for the interview.
He ran
He ran
down the stairs
down the stairs
and opened
and opened
the front door.
the front door.
He saw the bus
He saw the bus
and waved
and waved
at the driver.
and the driver
At the driver
and the driver
to stop
to stop
for him.
for him.
He sighed
He sighed
as the bus left
and the bus left
without him.
without him.
Okay, what is the name of a boy? John Claude. Okay, we call it Jean Claude or John Claude. Is it a good name? Is it a beautiful name? Yes. Actually, John Claude is the name of an actor, Hollywood actor of in America. It's very famous. Jean Claude Van Damme. Do you know Jean Claude Van Damme? Rujak Jean Claude apa? No. Jackie Chan. You know Jackie Chan? No? What about Ray? No? Oh, nobody knows. You're not watching English movie? Okay, nobody. So in here you're going to identify the past tense form of the verb. What are the past form of the verb in the paragraph? For example, the first sentence is John Claude was very late for the interview, which is the past tense. What is the past tense? What is the Ganda? Very good. What? What else? So what? Group 2? Yes? Present tense of friend. Run. Okay, Julio. Laga. And open the front door. Open. What is the present tense of open?
Open.
Okay. Open. May miอะไร? May mi edนะคะ. Okay, next is he saw the bus. The word saw. Very good. See? Okay, the one I wave. The wave, present tense, maybe? Maybe D. Okay.
Ran.
Open.